Hello everyone, this is our DPP-180Pro blister packing machine. It can pack capsules and tablets into alu PVC or alu blisters. The max output is 4,800 blister per hour. Waterfall gate feeder. Feeding speed increased by 30% without damaging the materials. High temperature heat sealing. Blister line clear, no wrinkle. Servo drive, traction distance, 0 error. Running stable. Greatly reduces the difficulty of debugging. Waste recycling system. Meets the CGMP standards. Forming station adopts modular design. Change mode only 10 minutes. Easy to installation and maintenance. Ruida packing also provides capsule filling machine, tablet press machine, tablet capsule gummy counting line, cartoning machine, etc. If you want to know more details, welcome to contact us.